Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2017 Pacifica Touring L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 17 inches inflatable spare tire, bright white clear coat, transmission, 9-speed 948 TEFWD automatic, STD, safety tech included, blind spot and cross path detection, park sensor, rear park assist with stop, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, radio, Uconnect 3C with 8.4 display included. For details visit driveuconnect.com. Uconnect Access 6-mode trial, registration required, 8.4 touchscreen display, nav capable. See dealer for details. GPS antenna input, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, Mopper running board, splash guards included, rear splash guards and second and third